This first column, those are the alkali metals. Next door, we have the alkali earth metals. Over here, we know these are the halogens. And then, of course, here I saved gold because they think they're special. These are the noble gases. For each of these, there are some properties for them, and this little abbreviation for their configuration, the N, of course, is for energy level. All of the alkali metals have one electron in the s orbital and the highest energy level. So like this is just saying that because they're in this first position, they would have their electron configuration would end with 2s1, say, or 1s1, or so on. Anyway, know that they're very reactive, and they're more reactive as you go down on the periodic table. Metals are reactive if they give up electrons, and because as you go down on the periodic table, they're bigger, so their outside electrons are held less tightly because they're away from the nucleus, so they're more easily to be removed. But anyway, alkaline earth metals, the second column. Yeah, maybe I should put this on here. We always call these group 1, and we generally call these group 2. But anyway, they're not as reactive, but they are reactive. Halogens, you know, are diatomic. They do also all have a similar odor to bleach or like swimming pool, what we associate with a chlorine or Clorox kind of smell. And then, of course, you know, the noble gases are relatively stable.